To have a quiet and peaceful fishing experience, a kayak is a must. These days, the ports and bays are filled with people, and finding free space is tough. Most of the well-known spaces are also overfished. For all these reasons, you need to find a good fishing spot, and nothing gets better around the water than small fishing kayaks. However, budget might be an issue, but today we are going to fix that. Today's video is on 10 budget fishing kayaks for anglers. Let us dive in. The Pelican Argo 100X Angler is a great fishing kayak for its price. At 9.6 feet long, weighing just 44 pounds, and with a maximum capacity of 275 pounds, this sit-on-top kayak offers the perfect balance of fishing-focused features. Its lightweight design makes it easy for transportation, while its open cockpit provides a secure standing position for casting in those narrow spots where the best fish often hide. The 100X Angler focuses on functionality. It has a center console with molded compartments, 2 recessed rod holders, and adjustable footrests. For additional storage, the front platform and tank well are both covered, and the ExoPack removable compartment with vertical rod holders ensures you can pack and prep your gear ahead of time. Moreover, the Ergo Lounge seating system offers excellent comfort during long days on the water, while the scupper holes ensure any excess water drains out safely. If you are looking for a fishing kayak for around $300, this might be it. The Oru Kayak lineups are mainly known for portability, and the Lake model isn't different. It weighs 17 pounds, one of the lightest kayaks around, making it ideal for many scenarios. Designed with Oru's signature origami-inspired engineering, it transforms from a box to a boat in under a minute, so you can quickly get on the water without any hassle. Despite its lightweight design, the Oru Lake is built to last, made from Oruplast, a durable, UV-treated plastic that resists punctures and abrasions. It folds down easily for storage, fitting comfortably in the back seat or a trunk of a car, or even in an airplane for fishing trips that take you further from home. It's simple, and the Lake model is quite affordable. Anyone who is looking for a kayak for fishing or personal uses and has a budget of around $500 can look at the Oru Kayak Lake. The Feelfree Moken 10 Lite V2, a lightweight fishing kayak, ensures both comfort and functionality. Weighing less than its larger counterparts, this kayak is designed for easy transport and storage, perfect for those tight spaces and quick trips to your favorite fishing spot. It features the new quick access hatch on the bow, allowing easy storage for dry bags, snacks, or other essentials. The molded-in handles on the sides and rear make it easy to carry, while the adjustable foot pegs offer a customizable paddling experience. For those longer days on the water, the Easy Rider seat provides exceptional comfort with its lawn chair-style design and adjustable positions. Moreover, the built-in flush-mounted rod holders and the handy bungee keepers secure your paddle. Plus, the patented wheel in the keel makes transporting the Moken 10 Lite V2 a breeze. It's a great deal for a fishing kayak around the $600 margin. The Boss 12 SS, a sit-on-top fishing kayak made by Sundolphin Boats, is a powerhouse for anglers looking for both stability and versatility. With its catamaran hull design, this kayak offers a solid platform that allows you to confidently fish while seated or standing. Whether you're casting in calm lakes or battling stronger currents, the Boss 12 SS is built to handle it. Constructed from UV-stabilized Fortiflex high-density polyethylene, this kayak is durable. Storage is another strong point. Both the front and rear wells have space for gear. For fishing, the kayak also comes with 1 swivel rod holder and 4 flush mount rod holders, giving you plenty of options for securing your gear. Safety and convenience are prioritized with non-slip pads, a stand-up assist strap, and easy-to-carry handles. Additionally, the paddle holders ensure you can keep your paddle secure while focusing on the next big catch. This is another good deal around $600. The Pescador 10.0 is the affordable model from the Pescador lineup. Known for its all-around performance, this kayak offers a stable and smooth ride, making it easy to navigate lakes, ponds, and flatwater rivers. Whether you're fishing or just enjoying a day on the water, it delivers both stability and tracking. Fishing ready straight from the box, it comes equipped with 2 rod holders, spacious open storage for your gear, and a covered dry storage compartment to keep valuables safe and dry. Comfort is also a top priority with thick ventilated padding and an adjustable seat back that ensures support during long days on the water. The locking bow hatch and rear open tank well with bungee provide ample storage for all your essentials. With an easily replaceable skid plate and an open deck design for easy entry and exit, the Pescador 10.0 is built to last and perform. Under $700, this is an all-rounder. The Three Waters Big Fish 105 V2. It's the shortest in the Big Fish lineup, but it doesn't compromise on functionality, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers alike. Its biggest selling point is the spacious deck, which offers ample room to move around, with a textured floor for extra grip. The kayak is also equipped with various storage options, including a removable storage pod for sonar devices, molded-in storage beside the seat, and plenty of space in the rear for larger gear. It has adjustable seating, allowing you to switch between low and high positions with ease. Built for durability, the V2 includes a beefed-up skid plate for protection during transport, with additional features like flush-mounted rod holders, scupper holes, and a stand-up leash. It's one of the best kayaks in the $600 range. We are focusing on the Jonny Boats Bass 100 paddle version. For a budget version, it offers plenty of storage and organization, with deck rod storage, a removable sonar and electronics pod, and an oversized tank well storage area with bungee tie-downs for securing gear. Additionally, the stern Unitrack accessory rails provide even more space for extra equipment. It also has two flush-mounted rod holders with leashes, and the Gunnel Unitrack accessory rails allow you to add a variety of accessories to personalize your fishing setup. The Jonny Easy Rider seating system ensures maximum comfort, offering adjustable height and position for long days out on the water. Transporting the kayak is a breeze thanks to the integrated carry handles. All in all, a great deal under $800. The Feelfree Lure 10 version 2 is a kayak that caters to anglers. At 34 inches wide, it boasts an incredibly stable hull, making it perfect for anglers who want the option to fish from a standing position. Whether you're paddling or casting, this kayak can handle just about any water condition. The Lure 10 has the patented gravity seat, which comes with a high backrest for added comfort, and it is multi-height adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect position for long days on the water. The kayak also includes removable electronics and a sonar pod, giving you the flexibility to install advanced fishing tech with ease. For outfitting, the Unitrack accessory rails allow for endless customization, while the large rear tank well is perfect for storing gear or a cooler. Additional features include flush-mounted rod holders, a padded standing platform, and the innovative wheel in the keel for easy transport. If you are looking for a kayak for around $800, this can be a good deal. Jackson Kayak has made a good kayak for anglers who want a budget-friendly kayak without compromising on quality or performance, the Bite Angler. It's built on the trusted hull from the Bite Wreck model. It offers excellent stability and paddling efficiency, making it ideal for a variety of water environments, from small lakes and rivers to ponds and inshore saltwater areas. It features an open concept deck, which provides a spacious platform for standing while fishing. The kayak also offers ample front and back storage, complete with a bungee attachment system, and has 4 recessed areas on each side for quick and secure storage of tackle boxes. As with most fishing kayaks, it comes equipped with flush mount rod holders and cup holders on both sides of the seat, ensuring all your gear is within easy reach. The kayak's comfort seat is breathable and designed for long days on the water, and around $1,000 is great for its price. Oldtown makes dependable kayaks aimed towards anglers. The Sportsman 106 is no different. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, whether you're loading it onto a car roof or hauling it to your favorite fishing spot. The ultra-stable double hull design ensures a quiet glide through the water while providing a stable platform that is perfect for stand-up fishing. For all-day comfort, the kayak features premium seating and is equipped with practical features for fishing, including 1 forward-facing and 2 rear-facing flush-mounted rod holders and 2 tracks on the forward hull for easy accessory mounting. Cup holders on each side of the seat keep your water bottle or small gear within reach, while non-slip EVA foam deck pads provide excellent traction and stand-up comfort. This kayak will cost you around $1,300 and is the most expensive kayak on this budget list. So that was our list of 10 budget fishing kayaks for anglers. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to learn more about angling products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit and subscribe to our channel.